I told him I like my shit from back. And it's Amber Duck. And it's Amber Duck. I like my shit from back. Like my shit from back. And it's Amber Duck. And it's Amber Duck.
Oh, this is my shit. This is my shit. This is back in my Carowin days. My Carowin's days. Blah, blah, blah.
Young nigga bought a bag, I was trapping hard way before the booth, nigga. Drug deals hand in hand, I can turn a half ounce into two, nigga. Who the fuck is you, nigga? MOB, no new niggas. Up the burner, no construction worker when I put this hammer to your roof, nigga. I'm strapped, I might clap, no, I will clap, but believe that. One in the head, I'ma squeeze that. I been cocked like T-Mac. Fly guy, where your wings at? Bitches let me like I sing pop. Wanna be fly, let the thing pop. Give a nigga wings like Wingstop. 40 cal, that's always. 9 milli with the green dot. 2 guns, so that's 2 buttons at the same time like a screenshot. He got that still with him. Every nigga with him gon' drill with him. Long clip, 30 rounds for him. Dig a hole in the ground for him. Send a nigga to the heaven gates. Tryna cross eye like Kevin Gates. Chopper sing like Mary J. Hit the 4 houses, set Mary Kate. Growing up in that section 8. Coming home late like every day. OG told me pray for the better days. Now it's 14 carats on my bezel face. Squat.
They thought as though that you had such a strong television commercial, so cute, with tons of potential, great look. They're definitely amazing voice. Seemed a little bit nervous at times. Don't be nervous. Just hold your own, because you've got this, you know. But, you know, definitely know that you have a stunning look. Gorgeous. Love your look. Love her big personality. Overall, she has the potential. She just needs to be pushed. She is a charmer. They said great energy, tons of potential. She just, especially when she relaxes and she's more in person and she performs within herself, her character comes out. Just live in the moment, if that's the only advice I can give you from last night. I don't think potentially you know how strong you really could be. I think that you've got a lot of, you know, ability. What do you do in your everyday life?
Oh my gosh, I'm nervous because it's just like a quick few minutes with them. Basically,
are you really?
I
Interesting.
am. And so basically,
good for you.
Telling, oh my goodness, it wasn't Crystal, Marlon. It was, oh my gosh, how could I forget her name?
Sure, sure. And you know, and you've got that natural charming ability about you and that natural knack. Whereas I find you to be, you know, not only just somebody that can come and do a competition and be in front of these top VIPs, in front of 60 agents and managers and casting directors and walk that Paris-style runway and deliver that commercial, but really be afterwards. And that's or maybe more than that. And I've been here for 25 years, and, you know, we've all been here, but you are, you know, a boss. You know, this is exactly what we look for as far as strong into the 17th and 18th. So thank you for, you know, just allowing us to kind of get to know you a little bit through this and you kind of learning about what we do. But I think it could be a really great marriage for sure.
Right, right. Oh, no, I'm so thankful for the opportunity, first of all. Thank you so much.
How did you feel? I mean, what was your thoughts on everything when you logged off last night?
No, I definitely was just more so anxious about...
Overwhelmed?
Yeah, no, not even.
And you're going to be walking the Paris-style runway, delivering a commercial in front of 2 large movie screens, and then it's the awards and then. So this is just going to be the start of your being serious. If that's something that you want to be serious about. Like I said, 20 to 30 years are what your content looks like. They help once they represent you. Like I said, I do work as your liaison. Been here for 25 years or so. You get to know me very well. Yeah, I mean, I want to see you to success, and that truly can take you.
Okay. Well, I'll definitely be looking forward to that 13 page too.
Yeah, and I'll definitely send that. It's like a room to reduce your rate. So
you see that glow, 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 you stop playing with me. I can't actually do 10 pros and cons right now. I'm like, it's nothing at all. Okay? Since the sun wants to come up, y'all, this Amazon here was doing pretty damn good until it started getting a little crusty, but it's nothing to it. It's nothing to that at all. Stay tuned for the next video. Will be me sharing my top 10 pros and cons. So basically 5 pros, 5 cons about the Chevrolet Camaro, my 2022 Chevrolet Camaro. This is my baby. When I say top 10, I mean top 10 pros and cons about the 2022 Chevrolet Camaro. Like, what don't you understand? Like, it's some cons to this shit too, bro. It's not all sweet with a little coupe. I think people just out here get a little coupe to get a little coupe. Like, it ain't all sweet like that, bro. So it's about 10 pros and cons I want to share with y'all, and that's just that on that. Gosh damn, gosh damn. Go ahead and subscribe. Stay tuned and turn on your post notifications. First of all, sir that won the fucking side skirts, I'm sorry to you, sir, that UPS stole your fucking package. Really didn't sit right with my spirit that they stole your fucking package, and I really spazzed on all of them. Call the fucking 800 number, call them. But I told them I was just gonna pull up at the hub. It's not making sense. How is side skirts missing? How don't you know where the side skirts went? I dropped them off, they left your facility, they got to another facility, and then they vanished, bro. They vanished, so it's just fucking weird. Boy, like he saw me to the 10. Boy, he ain't see a goddamn thing. Thank you so much for watching. In my next video, my hair, my lace will be tame, baby. My lace will be tame because I gotta be in your face. If it ain't tame, it's gonna be a little scarf on it, baby. Don't do me. I know my way around the system. You'll know your way around the system too if you would fucking subscribe and get the fuck right. But anyway, I need to be in y'all face again for the top 10 pros and cons. So stay tuned for that, and I love y'all. Gonna be the beginning of the next vlog. I'm gonna take you guys with me to eat. Sativa on my lips. Sativa on my lip. You hear what I'm saying? I don't think you do. But yeah, I'm gonna bring you guys with me. You know, it's always a situation when you're eating. But yeah, since the big things popping and little things is stopping, I'm gonna try to get more comfortable grabbing a camera. We're just recording, we doing what I used to do. But should go to the fucking movies. Should go to the fucking movies. I think we're gonna do that, bro. Now that that idea just came into my mind, we're probably gonna go to the fucking movies. That new Jordan Peele movie is out.